Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Haley Estes here at the Mountain View Cottage. I share all things large family homemaking, organization, cleaning, homeschooling, basically just keeping up with life. Tonight I'm going to be doing a clean with me after dark, which is basically me just resetting my kitchen and my house so that I am ready for the next day. We had dinner, of course, and this is me just cleaning everything up and getting it ready for the next day. This is probably like my biggest tip if you have any number of kids, or even if you don't have any kids at all, is just taking the time at night to clean up your home. It doesn't have to be perfect. You don't have to mop or sweep or anything like that, but if you just clear off the surfaces and clean the dishes and start the dishwasher, it really just makes a difference when you wake up the next day. Hope you guys enjoy this video. I have lots of other videos on my channel and more coming. I post every Thursday. Thank you for being here, and I hope you enjoy this video.
My heart rages around like an ocean in my head, because there are so many things that I left unsaid. I can almost feel you walking in the distance, but I know that is not reality. If you are echoing around inside these parallel dimensions all alone, know I'll find you in my dreams. My heart rages around like an ocean in my head. I can almost feel you walking in the distance, but I know that is not reality. If you are echoing around inside these dimensions all alone, know I'll find you in my dreams. I can almost feel you walking in the distance, but I know that is not reality. My heart rages around like an ocean in my head, because there are so many things that I left unsaid.
Thanks so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, I would love it if you would do so. And if you can hit the bell, you'll get notifications whenever a new video goes live. I upload every Thursday, and I hope to change that to every Thursday and Friday in the near future. If you have any suggestions for videos you'd like to see in the future, such as more cleaning videos, a specific type of cleaning video, large family ideas, homeschooling, whatever it may be, please leave those suggestions in the comments. It will be really helpful as I create new content for you guys every week. Thanks so much for being here. I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I will see you next time.